Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play good on keyboard Fortnite. First, ensure you have a quality gaming mouse with extra buttons and a responsive mechanical keyboard. These peripherals are your primary tools. Next, focus on your mouse sensitivity. You need to find a balance between speed and precision. A good starting point is to adjust your DPI and in-game sensitivity so that moving your mouse across your comfortable mousepad space results in about 1.5 to 2 full 360-degree turns in-game. This helps with both aiming and quick movements. Optimizing your keybinds is crucial for fluid gameplay. Map your essential building pieces, like walls, ramps, floors, and roofs, to keys very close to your movement keys, such as Q, E, F, or C. If your mouse has side buttons, assign important actions like building pieces or weapon slots to them for quick access. Remember to spread your keybinds across different fingers on your left hand. This prevents any single finger from being overworked, allowing for faster and more consistent inputs during intense moments. For building and editing, adjust a few key settings. Turn on Sprint by default so you're always moving quickly, and enable auto open doors to pass through edits seamlessly. A game-changing tip is to bind both Reset Building Edit and a secondary Building Edit to your mouse wheel down. This allows for incredibly fast, instant edit resets with a simple scroll. Dedicate time in creative mode to practice fundamental building techniques like 90-degree turns, ramp rushes, and side jumps to build muscle memory. In combat, quick weapon swapping is vital. Organize your weapon slots using the number keys 1 through 5, placing your most used weapons in easily reachable slots. To improve your shooting accuracy, regularly use aim training maps in creative mode or external software like Kavox. Finally, consistent practice is key. Challenge yourself by engaging in 1 versus 1 fights and zone wars against players who are slightly better than you. This pressure training will significantly enhance your reaction time and decision-making skills.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.